This is a video guys to learn how to fix Alt Tab black screen delay problem in gaming on Windows laptop, and same method work in Windows PC. Search settings, open the settings. Here guys you have to click on notifications, then click on this turn on do not disturb automatically. Now you will see these all settings is enabled, so make sure and disable these all settings during these times when duplicating your display, when playing a game, when using an app in full screen mode, and for the first hour. So these all settings make disabled. And guys, in some windows you will see focus assist in here. In this system display you will get that setting, so click on it, and here you will get options rules. So under rules make disabled all the options, like you will see list of some settings, make them disabled or toggle to off positions. So these are way you can try to resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Comment this video work for you.